Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another amazing video for all maths lovers, and if you are trying to qualify the quant exams and struggling, watch all these tricks and study from the ultimate guide to speed maths. You know, it is going to solve your long-term problems and it is going to teach you 350 such smart methods. Let me tell you what I have in this video. I will tell you how to find the fourth powers of two-digit numbers. Obviously, see, nobody is going to ask us what is the fourth power of a three-digit number, but once you learn this trick of finding the fourth power of two-digit numbers, you can actually extrapolate it. But you need to have a little bit of consistency and persistence. You need to keep on doing some hard work to get to some results, and that's what is required. For me, the video is to highlight the importance of the method and to tell you the basic steps involved. But once you have studied the steps, you should know that this is how mathematics works. And the trick which I am taking is from the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths, Volume 1 and Volume 2, which are available for sale. You can book your copy and I'll show you a glimpse also. This is the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths Volume 1 and this is the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths Volume 2, and this has video links also and 2400 practice questions, and the inaugural edition is already creating waves in the market. I tell you, there's huge lot of demand for these books because school students are enjoying the content, college students are finding it useful for preparing for the exams in future, and those who are preparing for placement exams, it is a heaven for them. SSC, CGL, CLAT, CAT, MAT, banking, railways, LIC and SSC, they all become so easy when you study from these books. How to get a copy? WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number, 9896369963. I'll reply personally to you and I ensure you that this is going to be a treasure for you for life. Amazon links are also given in the description of this video here, and you can click that and purchase from Amazon if for some reason you don't want to send a message on WhatsApp. So friends, what is the video about? Let's take the example of 13 raised to power 4. Now I know what is the square of 13, so I don't need to find the square of 13. I just need the square of 169, right? Because obviously fourth power means square of square, and square of square, 13 square is pretty easy, so 169 and then the square. So now I should know how to square a three-digit number, and then obviously if the number here becomes big, then this might be a 4 or a 5-digit number also. So basic squaring tricks are important for this, and the speed maths books, it has everything. This is volume 1, and if you have a glimpse of this, it has everything that a student requires to study smoothly without doubts. Look at this, how many links are given here for the videos, all the illustrations, the video links, the challenge zones, lots and lots of practice questions, around 2000 2400 practice questions in this, along with answer key, and research based content, and less than 1,000 rupees, and it is a treasure house for you for entire life to be delivered at your doorsteps. So friends, 169 square, how am I going to do this? 169 square. For this, I'm going to consider 16 as one number and 9 as the other. I'll do 16 square, 256. I'll do 9 square, which is 81. It should be a two-digit number. If it is not, prefix 0. 16 times 9 is 144. The double of 144 is 288. I'll leave one digit from here and write 288 here, and then add vertically 16, 6, 1 carry, 15, 5, 1 carry, 8 and 2. And now pick up the calculators and check your answer. Is the answer 28561 for fourth power of 13? And you are going to be surprised. Yes, it is the same answer. Let's increase the complexity. Suppose I want to do 21 raised to power 4. So the first thing is you should know what is 21 square, and then you should know what is square of that number. Now for finding 21 square, suppose you don't know 21 square. What do you do? 21, right? So 2 and 1, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. So I'll write 0, 1, and then 2 times 1 is 2, double of 2 is 4, which I have to write in the middle, and then add vertically, you have the answer 441. right? So I have to do 441 square to get to my answer. And for that, very important that I should know, either I should know 41 square or I should know 44 square. Out of any of those, I can actually find my answer. Now, what to do to solve this? Can we do 4 and 41 like this? We can do, right? Or 44 and 1? Still, the same thing works. So, let's do 4 and 41. 4 square is 16. Now I need 41 square. So 41 square is 4 square 16, 1 square 0, 1, 4 ones are 4, 8, right? So I have to write 8 here. So 1681, see? So easy. So I can write 1681 here. And then I have to do 41 times 4, which is 164. And then double of that, which is 328. Now, very, very important to know that these are only going to work when you know the basics, right? So when you have here 2-digit number, just leave 2 digits from here and write this number 328 below 616. And now add vertically 1, 8, 14 means 4, 1 carry, 4, 6 plus 3, 9 and 1. 194481, that is the fourth power of 21. See, I could have taken 44 and 1 and still it works. Okay, I'll take one more example. Let's take the example of a big number like 62. Now, if I have to do 62 power 4, I have to do 62 square first and then square of that, right? 6 square 36, 2 square 04, 6 twos are 12, double 24, right in the middle 4, 4, 8, 3. 3844, we have the square of 62. So let's write 3844 and now I have to do the square of this number. How do I do that? 38 and 44 can be considered as two numbers, and so I should know what is 38 square and what is 44 square. I'll use the same method again. So I get 38 square as 1444 and 44 square as 1936. And then the multiplication, 38 times 44. See, Vedic maths is everywhere. So in squaring, in finding fourth power, everywhere Vedic maths is there. So vertically and crosswise, 8 fours are 32. 32 and 12, 44. 12. So this is 2, 3 carry 47, 7, 4 carry 16, 1672. And I have to do the double of 1672, which is 3344. So where do I write that? Leave 2 digits. 3344 is to be written here. And then I have to add vertically to get to my final answer. So 6, 3, 13 means 3, 1 carry. So this is 6, 7, 7, 4, 1. 1, 4, 7, 7, 6, 3 and 36 in the end, which gives me my answer for the question. See how wonderfully the tricks are working, and this is the wonder of speed maths. And the complete speed maths guides are available now, 350 such smart tricks. I've already shown you the books. Here are the books. These are specially authored by me, and it is like 15 years of research on speed maths. So if you are targeting any competitive exam, go for this, and I'm sure your journey of preparation will be smooth. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all the friends who are struggling in such concepts, and do not forget to click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications of future uploads on YouTube. All the best for the practice part.